Let us discuss this example. So in this example, we have to find a value of double integration where region is mentioned here. But see, we are going to solve it by changing the variables. Because if we directly solve this problem, then problem will be very difficult. Okay, so let us focus on the given problem. So what we have, double integration sine x minus y upon cos x plus y dx dy. So this is a given integral. I have already written the integral here. Okay, so after that, if you think about the region, so they have mentioned region is a region which is bounded by parallelogram having vertices 0 comma pi, right? Sorry, pi by pi comma 0, next 2 pi comma pi, next pi comma 2 pi, and the last one 0 comma pi. So this is a region, okay, bounded by these parallelograms. But see, they have given vertices of parallelogram, but they have not mentioned equations of those lines or their edges. So our first task is to find equations of those lines, line AB, line BC, line CD, and line AD. So let us start to find equation of line AB, line segment. Okay, so equation of AB is, so I use the formula y minus y1 upon y1 minus y2, x minus x1 upon x1 minus x2. So you can call this as x1 y1 and this as x2 y2. So what can I write? Y minus y1 is pi upon y1 pi minus y2 is 0, x minus x1, x1 is 0 upon 0 minus x2 is pi. So let us simplify it. So y minus pi upon pi, which is equal to x minus 0 is x upon minus pi. See what will happen, pi will get cancelled, so that's why we will have y minus pi is equal to minus x, so therefore x plus y is equal to pi. X plus y is equal to pi. This is the equation of line segment AB. After that, we will find the equation of line segment BC. Equation of BC is, see the same formula I am going to use, x1 y1, x2 y2. Let us follow the formula, y minus 0 upon 0 minus pi and x minus pi upon pi minus 2 pi. So y upon minus pi is equal to x minus pi upon minus pi. See, minus pi will get cancelled from both denominators, and if you solve, we will have x minus y is equal to pi. So equation of this one is x minus y is equal to pi. After that, we will find equation of line segment CD, but there is no more space, so make a screenshot of it, then we will go further. See now equation of CD. Same formula we will use, x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. So y minus y1 is pi upon pi minus 2 pi and x minus x1 is 2 pi upon 2 pi minus x2 is pi. So y minus pi upon minus pi and x minus 2 pi upon pi. See, pi will get cancelled from both sides, and because of this minus sign I am writing pi minus y is equal to x minus 2 pi. So if we solve it further, we will have x plus y is equal to 3 pi. So equation of CD is x plus y is equal to 3 pi. Okay, so let me check it again. Yes, sorry, CD, equation of CD. Equation of CD is x plus y is equal to 3 pi. So now we have to find equation of just AD only. Equation of AD is y minus, see I will call x1 y1 x2 y2, y minus pi upon pi minus 2 pi and x minus 0 upon 0 minus pi. Let us simplify y minus pi upon minus pi and x upon minus pi. So minus pi will get cancelled from both denominators, and if you simplify you will have x minus y is equal to minus pi. So I will write here x minus y is equal to minus pi. This is equation of AD. So therefore we can write therefore S is bounded by what we get. I will write here S is bounded by, the first line is x plus y is equal to pi. Next, x plus y is equal to 3 pi. Next, x minus y is equal to minus pi and x minus y is equal to pi. See, obviously now after that we have to put something, but obviously you can see here we are getting terms in left hand side x minus y and x plus y only. So I will put 1 as u, that means x minus y is equal to u and x plus y is equal to v. So I am going to put this one, putting x minus y is equal to u and x plus y is equal to v. So after substitution, our main task or our next task is to find Jacobian. But see, Jacobian is difficult to calculate here. So I will go for z dash, and our Jacobian is nothing but reciprocal of z dash. Then z dash, the formula is determinant del by u by del by x, del by u by del by y, del by v by del by x and del by v by del by y. So which is equal to derivative of u with respect to x. So when we find derivative with respect to x, y is constant, derivative will be 0 and derivative of x is 1. Derivative of u with respect to y, it will be minus 1 since derivative of x is 0 since it is constant. Next, derivative of v with respect to x 1 and derivative of v with respect to y 1. So if you simplify, if you solve the determinant, 1 into 1 1 minus minus 1, so plus, so its determinant is 2. So z dash is 2, so z will be 1 upon z dash, that means 1 by 2. You can make a screenshot of it, then we will go further. Then our Jacobian will be 1 upon z dash, so z dash is 2, so it is 1 by 2. Therefore, in UV plane, region is bounded by, okay, region is bounded by, I will write simply. See, first is x minus y is equal to pi. Next is x minus y is equal to minus pi. X plus y is equal to pi and x plus y is equal to 3 pi. But see, x minus y, we have called it as u. So therefore, u is equal to pi. X minus y means u, so u is equal to minus pi. X plus y is equal to v, so v is equal to pi and x plus y is equal to v again, so v is equal to 3 pi. So that means region is bounded by u is equal to minus pi, u is equal to pi, v is equal to pi and v is equal to 3 pi. So let me draw the diagram here. I will remove this diagram. Okay, so now I will draw a diagram in UV plane. Okay, where a coordinate axis has u and v. Okay, so this is v axis and this is v axis, this one is u axis. What we have, u is equal to pi, right? U is equal to pi, u is equal to minus pi, v is equal to pi and v is equal to 3 pi. So see, u is equal to minus pi will be a line parallel to v axis. U is equal to pi be a line parallel to v axis again. This is v is equal to pi and this one is v is equal to 3 pi. Okay, so this is a region in UV plane. This is a region in UV plane. So see, yes, I will mention here, this is 3 pi, v is equal to 3 pi, v is equal to pi, u is equal to pi, and u is equal to minus pi. See, here you can consider a strip parallel to x-axis or y-axis, doesn't matter, but it's our habit to make a strip parallel to y-axis, in the sense v-axis. So then v varies from, and then u varies from. So strip is bounded below. If you draw strip parallel to v-axis, bounded below by pi, bounded above by 3 pi, u is bounded below by minus pi, and bound in left hand side minus pi, and right hand side pi. So therefore I will be, this is the integral, getting given integral. So u minus pi to pi, and v pi to 3 pi. After that, sine x minus y is nothing but u upon cos x plus y is nothing but v j du dv. Actually, it is better to write dv du since our strip is parallel to v-axis, right? So we have to solve this integration. But see, there is no more space, so I suggest you to make a screenshot of it. See, what is our j here? J is 1 by 2. But see, it's constant. I will take it outside. So 1 by 2 integration minus pi to pi integration pi to 3 pi and sine u upon cos v, that means it is sec v dv du. Let me remove this integral, it is not required now. So we will have more space to write. See, fortunately limits are constants and there is no addition, no subtraction, so we can take a separate limits. So this is equal to 1 by 2 integration minus pi to pi sine u du into integration pi to 3 pi sec v dv. See, but here sine, okay, so here I will mention sine u is odd function. So you know that sine u is an odd function, cos u is an even function. So therefore integration minus pi to pi, when you have a limit of this kind and if you have an odd function, the value of integration is 0, no need to solve it further. So that's why value of this bracket is 0. So 1 by 2 into 0 and this integration pi to 3 pi sec v dv. So you know that 0 into anything 0, so that's why answer will be 0. So the value of integration is 0. So in this way we have completed this example. You can make a screenshot of it. After that we will stop. Thank you. Bye bye.